Today I want to show you how to use the autofill features to plan a regular macro day inside of a Healthy Passion. So I'm in the planner right now. I'm going to select the day I'm planning for, and I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to select this autofill button. And autofill is designed to fill in breakfast, lunch, and dinner based on your macro needs. So I've got my breakfast, I've got lunch, I've got dinner, and if you scroll down here, you'll see this is my goal for the day and this is what's remaining. So now I've got to use another auto feature to fill in the snack so I can hit my macros for the day. So I'm going to click this fork and knife button in the snack section, and it's going to pull up some suggested snack options. So I can kind of scroll through and decide what sounds good to me and add that to my plan. So this smoothie sounds amazing. I'm going to select it and add it in there and then scroll down and see where I'm at. And you can see here I still have a little bit remaining, so I'm going to hit the snack button one more time and get another option for my remaining snack. So honestly, this celery, it looks amazing and it's getting pretty close, so I'm going to select that with the guacamole. And I'm going to scroll down here and see where I'm at. Perfect, I'm right within about 100 calories, and at the top I've got my macro percentages, 44 carbs, which I want to be about 45 is the goal, so that's perfect. 26 protein, 30 fat. So that is how I use the auto features in a Healthy Passion to quickly and easily plan a regular macro day.